All right, traders, the moment has come for me to reveal the landing page for the BankFlow auto trading. It's only 5 steps. It's very easy to become a member. And let me show you the web address here. Can you see that? It's bankflowautotrading.org. So bankflowautotrading.org. Okay? So you can see the landing page, nice layout. Step 1, just like if you watch the #1 capital markets video, it just says to open an account with that broker. #1, watch the video. If you watch that video, you can sidestep that because you already know what the web address and what to open. So if it's a cent account, it's $500 minimum. A standard account, it's $1,000. The ECN account, which I'm going to use, is $1,000 also. So let's go down step 2. Easy. Step 2, now you sign up for the PayPal to get into the BankFlow group. See that? It's only $27. And I'm going to address a concern that a retail trader asked me. Why should I choose BankFlow and trade with you versus somebody else? I'm going to address that at the end here of this video. Okay? So we're going to go down here to step 4. Easy. Download the Telegram, search for BankFlow TM News, and put that on your phone. The reason for that is I'm going to tell you things that I might not trade during this day because it's the bank news. I might not trade because it's the holiday. I'm going to cut short the trades because of this or that. So, you just keep you guys in the loop so you don't feel like you're isolated. It doesn't feel like you're just out on the limb and nobody's talking to you. That's the worst thing you want to have happen. So join the Telegram group. Okay, let's go down some more. Of course, last but not least, step 5, join the Facebook group. That's where we're going to talk about like trades. You can get support there. You can chat with other traders. You can brag about the shit you buy because of the money you make. And then we'll talk about other brokers that I vet. Okay. I vet other brokers so you can have another additional broker in your arsenal to make money. Okay, so let me address that issue, or not an issue, that question from that retail trader saying, Bill, why should I join the Bank Flow trading group versus another trading group? Okay, the first and foremost, other trading groups are run by amateur traders or retail traders that are trying to use an indicator or price action to predict the market. Us, as bank flow traders, we use indicators to ride the market that smart money has already printed out and know the direction. Smart money is not stupid. They know retail traders are going in certain areas and they spike it. So guess what? Smart money is called smart money for a reason. They're there to fuck over the retail traders, which is you guys. You heard the term 90 to 95% of the traders lose? Well, that's you. That's you, the retail trader. It's not the bank trader. It's not like us. It's not like myself and hopefully you too, that we trade along with smart money and not with the amateur mindset. Most retail traders get into a calling session with a trader that only calls certain amount of trades, and a lot of times they lose. So like they're 60-40, 60% losses, 40%, and they believe, oh, don't worry, next week, next month, or next day we'll make that up. And eventually they end up losing again because they're trying to predict the market instead of riding the market as we go. So in front of you, or in front of us, I have a breakdown of what it would cost if I charged retail pricing for my bank flow service. So if it was going for the 2 accounts auto trade, I would only allow you to have 2 accounts, and being professionally managed, it would cost you $50 a month. And of course, I would have you on the VPS because I want to protect it. I don't want it, the auto trader out there in the open, to get trades being hacked at, getting free signals from us. That would be $27 a month. And of course, we're not done yet. If you want the signals, the Forex signals itself is a $67 retail value. And then, of course, as you make more money, you feel a little bit stifled. You don't want to be hampered with only 2 accounts. So I would allow you to get up to 10 accounts. But here's the caveat for that. If you want more accounts and for me to, manage it or babysit your account, it would cost you $1,000 fee to get me interested, and 10% of all the other 8 accounts, up to 8 accounts every 3 months. So let me be really clear. Trading the Forex has made me very wealthy. I don't need your money. Have you noticed I am not selling you any courses? I'm not saying, hey, join this, do that. I'm just offering you the opportunity to look over my shoulder. And for the bank flow plan, that is only $27 for that VPS. That's all you're paying. Everything else is included. The Telegram, the VPS is included. The Facebook's included. The unlimited accounts, all for $27 a month. Because again, if you don't join, I'm still going to be clocking money. I'm still going to be looking to make $1,000 a month. And I go, oh, here's another nice broker. I'm going to open that up and throw money in it. And then there's another 1,000. And there's another 1,000. I'm going to, oh, here's a couple more brokers. I'm going to open up maybe 3 accounts there. So then when I'm trading my main account, it sends those signals to those other accounts. And next thing you know, I have 8 accounts making me 1,000 a piece, or 500 a piece, or 700 a piece. It depends on how much money is in that account, but that doesn't matter. It means that I'm still growing. I'm still growing. But you retail traders out there hoping and praying and trading with that one he or she trader that is a retail trader with that ego and trying to predict the markets for you, when I'm just riding the markets with smart money and I don't even break a sweat about it. Am I going to lose some here and there? Of course. That's just the nature of trading. But the point is that I'm not missing any trades, and the people who join the bank flow aren't missing any trades either. And when you join another service and there are traders calling those trades, you have to be a victim of their time frame, because they're going to be going to do their trades when it's convenient for them, not convenient for you. So that's why the auto trader is set up to alleviate that. You don't have to be present and attended for in order to capitalize on your trades. It's done for you. That's why it's housed in the VPS. The VPS is the one that stands in attention to clock that income for you. So 5 steps, real simple, easy smeezy. Step 1, look over the account, open that up with number 1, capital markets. Number 2, easy, sign up for the PayPal plan, get involved. Number 3, of course, send your information over once you set the account up and everything else. It's easy. Send it over. See the bankflowmtsinfo.gmail.com. That's how you send the information over with your credentials so I can trade in your behalf. Real simple. And then I'm going to set you up to get the trades that I'm in. Of course, number 4, sign up for your Telegram. Get involved. Get noticed. And number 5, don't be left out in the cold. Join the Facebook group. Get support. Feel like you're important, which you are. Don't feel like you're just a number and somebody else is just trying to capture your money for you and not do anything for you. That's for amateurs. I'm out to get money. I'm out to get bulk flow or bulk amount of pips. I'm not interested in ego. I'm not interested in setting up a indicator that tries to show the market and everything. I'm just looking for indicators that help me exploit the already going trends that smart money has produced, or traders that actually show the signs of the flow, and then the indicators that we use shows that rhythmic flow of that harmonics of the market, hence the term bank flow. Banks move the market. It's going to always be that way regardless of what you think. Yes, retail traders can be successful, but it's a lot harder for them and it's a lot easier for us because our trades supersede more above and beyond what retail traders can provide. All right? So again, there is the web address, bankflow.autotrading.org. 5 steps to do. Sign up, get involved. Let's make some money. And if you don't, hey, good luck to you. But if you do, good luck to you too, because we're going to make money. If you don't sign up, which is fine, I'm not going to cry about that. Just know that you're going to be working with retail traders and they aren't as skilled as getting a lot of the income as I am versus other traders. You got to understand, when you have multiple accounts clocking multiple amounts of profit, you don't need to make $1 million in one account. You make small money and let that build up and let that compound and increase that as you go along, and your income grows, and then you start vetting other brokers. Then you bring in those brokers, and next thing you know, you've got a ton of money that makes you thousands of dollars per month, and you're not doing any work. Gotta love it. Bank flow, baby. It's the wave of the future. Forget about retail trading and retail indicators that try to predict. Why try to predict when you can ride the flow with banks?